Before buying a portable blender, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Most of them can't actually crush ice or frozen fruit properly, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Let's fix that today.
Product number 1, Ninja Fit Compact. This is the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, and honestly, it looks like a classic Ninja. Solid build, familiar branding, and a price that feels fair for the brand. If you want reliable blending with real countertop power in a portable size, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 700-watt motor isn't just for show. It uses pulse technology to power through ice, frozen fruit, and even leafy greens without stalling. You're getting full-size blender performance in a compact unit. The two 16-ounce to-go cups with spout lids mean you can blend and go, no transferring drinks to another bottle. Plus, it's BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup almost effortless. With over 10,000 bought in the past month, it's clearly a crowd favorite for a reason. Now, some people complained about the noise level and the fact that it's not cordless. Here's the thing though, if you're okay plugging it in at home or near an outlet, the power trade-off is totally worth it. This isn't meant for the park or your office desk without power. This is perfect for you if you want strong blending performance and don't mind being near an outlet. Skip this one if you need true cordless freedom. For the performance, it's a solid value.
Product number 2, Ninja Blast Max. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for on-the-go lifestyles, the Ninja Blast Max. This one's cordless, has a bigger 22-ounce vessel, and looks sleek in navy. If you want freedom from outlets and still want Ninja-level blending, this is a serious upgrade. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The detachable twist-and-go vessel is a game changer. You blend, twist off the base, and carry it like a travel bottle, 50% lighter than models with attached motors. The 3 Auto IQ programs, Smoothie, Crush, and Blend, automatically adjust speed and time, so you get perfect results with one button. It crushes ice and frozen fruit thanks to the Power Blast technology, and the battery lasts long enough for multiple blends on a single charge. The sip lid and silicone handle make it super easy to drink while walking or commuting. Now, some people complained that it takes about 3 hours to fully recharge, and that it's a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're charging it overnight or between uses, the runtime is more than enough for daily smoothies. The weight is a fair trade for the power and capacity. This is perfect for you if you want cordless convenience with smart presets and large capacity. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need something ultra lightweight. At $69.99, it's pricey, but packed with features.
Product number 3, Ninja BC151BK Blast. If the Blast Max's price or size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Ninja BC151BK Blast. It's smaller, lighter, and more affordable, but still packs a punch. If you want cordless blending without the premium price, this one's worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At just 18 ounces and under 11 inches tall, it's one of the most compact cordless options from Ninja. The USB-C rechargeable base makes charging easy with modern cables, and the separate power and blend buttons prevent accidental starts. The ribbed vessel and blast blade create a vortex that helps crush ice and frozen fruit efficiently. Plus, it self-cleans in 30 seconds with water and soap, super handy when you're in a rush. Now, some people complained about the smaller capacity and shorter battery life compared to the Blast Max. Here's the thing though, if you're making single-serve smoothies and charging it daily, it's more than enough. This isn't meant for big batches. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, no-fuss cordless blender for daily use. Skip this one if you need to make large smoothies or want multiple blends per charge. At $68.95, it's a great middle ground option.
Product number 4, Kokunst Portable Blender. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers, the Kokunst Portable Blender. At under $30, it's the cheapest here, but don't let the price fool you. If you want affordability without totally sacrificing performance, this one surprises a lot of people. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6-blade stainless steel system spins at 22,000 RPM and can crush fruits and veggies in just 30 seconds. The USB-C rechargeable battery has a 4 LED indicator, so you always know the charge level. The magnetic safety lock ensures it only runs when properly aligned. Great if you have kids or travel often. Plus, it includes an extra portable lid with a strap, so you can blend and go without needing another bottle. Now, some people complained about weaker ice crushing and shorter battery life under heavy use. Here's the thing though. For soft fruits, protein shakes, and light blending, it works great. Just don't expect it to pulverize frozen blocks like the Ninja models. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly travel blender for light use. Skip this one if you regularly blend frozen ingredients or need long battery life. For $28.99, it's a steal for casual users. Product number 5, Nexa Ease Portable Blender. If Cocoon's lack of insulation bothered you, this next one adds a clever twist, the Nexa Ease Portable Blender. It comes with an insulated sleeve, a leather keychain handle, and a stylish diamond-cut design. If you want your drink to stay cold and look good doing it, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 150-watt motor and 6 blades spinning at 18,000 RPM handle ice and frozen fruit well, and the blend and pulse modes give you control. 30 seconds for soft fruits, pulse for tough ingredients. The 600 milliliter, 20-ounce capacity is generous, and the jar doubles as a drink bottle. The insulated sleeve keeps drinks cold for hours and protects the blender from bumps. Plus, it includes a travel lid and extra bottom cup for versatility. Now, some people complained about the motor heating up after multiple uses and the sleeve not fitting all cup holders. Here's the thing though, if you're not blending back-to-back batches, the motor handles daily use fine. The sleeve is more about protection and style than universal fit. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, insulated travel blender with good capacity. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty ice crushing or ultra-compact size. At $39.99, it's a great all-in-one package.
So which one's best? The Ninja Fit Compact wins for power, the Blast Max for cordless convenience, the BC151BK for balance, Cokunst for budget, and Nexa Ease for style and insulation. Pick based on your lifestyle, not the flashy ads. Thanks for watching, and blend smart.